Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making lemon pepper chicken in the Instant Pot Ultimate Lid. Alright, I'm starting out here with roughly a 5.5 pound chicken. I tied the legs shut and I seasoned the inside with some of this lemon pepper seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit under the skin and just work that up in there. Alright, I'm going to spray this down with a little bit of olive oil. It's going to do two things. It's going to help keep the chicken moist and it's going to help our seasoning stick. And I'm going to sprinkle this all over the chicken nice and generously. Alright, now that I have my chicken in the Instant Pot, I'm using one of these little silicone baskets with the handles on it. If you don't have one of those, just use your trivet in there and make a sling out of some tin foil to sit the chicken on and pull it about. I'm going to put a cup of water down in the side here, being careful not to wash the seasoning off the chicken. It's going to create the steam and cook the chicken for us. I'm going to close the lid down and lock it. Alright, I'm going to press the pressure cook button and I'm going to set my time for 25 minutes. Press start. What this will do, this will come up to pressure. It'll pressure cook for 25 minutes. Then I'm going to let it do a natural release of pressure for 5 minutes. Alright, my 25 minutes are up. I'm going to take out the pressure plate so we can air fry this chicken and get it nice and golden brown. Okay, now I'm going to close my lid down. I'm going to make sure these silicone straps are tucked down in here so that they don't touch that heating element. I don't think that they will, but better safe than sorry. That one there should be fine. Alright, now over here on my air fryer side, I'm going to hit the roast button. I'm going to set my temperature at 400. And I'm going to set my time for 10 minutes. Now, unlike the pressure cook, you can go in and check this to see how it's coming along. If it needs a few more minutes or a few less minutes, I'll let you know how it made out. I let my chicken air fry for about 8 minutes, but I had a 5-minute warm up. It's nice and golden brown. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some red skin smashed potatoes and buttered corn to go with this. Let me get in here and try some of this chicken. Tender, really moist, has that good lemon pepper flavor to it. Guys, that's really delicious. It wasn't hard at all. Lemon pepper chicken in the Instant Pot Ultimate Lid. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.